What occurs when you incorporate chia seed into your daily diet? Despite their small size, chia seeds offer remarkable advantages when added to your meals. Originating from Guatemala and Mexico, these tiny seeds have long been a dietary staple for Mayans and Aztecs. Were the Mayans aware that these seeds contain essential fatty acids, fiber, and vital minerals crucial for our bodily functions? Well, considering that chia translates to strength in ancient Mayan, they certainly understood something valuable. The truth is, chia seeds possess remarkable versatility and numerous nutritional benefits. So let's delve into the effects of consuming chia seeds on a daily basis. Firstly, they provide numerous digestive benefits. Chia seeds are an exceptional source of fiber, with a single serving offering up to 10 grams, accounting for approximately 29% to 45% of the recommended daily fiber intake. Number 2. Another noteworthy benefit of chia seeds is their potential contributions to weight loss. Numerous studies suggest that the high fiber content in chia seeds can aid in shedding pounds. Chia seeds into your diet can help you feel fuller longer, preventing unhealthy snacking throughout the day. Therefore, chia seeds serve as the perfect addition to your meals. Moreover, their fiber content aids in regulating blood sugar levels, even after consuming a substantial meal. Number 3. Chia seeds are a gift to your cardiovascular system. These seeds possess an antioxidant called quercetin, which aids in reducing the risk of heart disease and other cardiac ailments. Additionally, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats known for their heart protective properties. Around 75% of the fat content in chia seeds is composed of alpha-linolenic acid, while approximately 20% consists of omega-6 fatty acids. This unique ratio contributes to the prevention of various conditions, including heart disease, and potentially lowers the risk of premature death. Before we move on to the next benefit, we kindly ask you to show your support by liking our video and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you won't miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4. Chia seeds help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Several studies have examined the effects of consuming chia seeds on cholesterol and triglyceride levels. A comprehensive review revealed that chia seeds have the potential to increase high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, often referred to as the good cholesterol. This increase in HDL cholesterol can contribute to a better balance of blood lipids and improved cardiovascular health. Number 5. Chia seeds reduce free radicals in the body. Chia seeds are packed with an abundance of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and protecting your body's cells. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between the production of free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Excessive free radicals can cause significant damage, contributing to aging and certain types of cancers. Number 6. Chia seeds can lower inflammation. Inflammation is the body's immune response to foreign invaders. However, certain factors, such as processed foods, can contribute to chronic inflammation, which is associated with serious conditions like cancer and heart disease. Fortunately, chia seeds contain caffeic acid, which possesses anti-inflammatory properties and aids in combating chronic inflammation. Number 7. Improved blood sugar control. Chia seeds have shown potential in reducing blood sugar spikes in the body. They help reduce insulin resistance, thereby improving blood sugar levels. Number 8. Enhanced bone strength. Chia seeds can play a beneficial role in promoting bone health. They are rich in essential compounds such as phosphorus and magnesium, which are both crucial for maintaining healthy bones. Consuming just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides approximately 18% of the recommended daily intake of calcium, which is vital for strong bones and healthy nerves. Number 9. Amazing nutritional benefits. There's a compelling reason why chia seeds held such significance in the diets of the Aztecs and Mayans, serving as a crucial survival ration for warriors. It turns out that even just a tablespoon of chia seeds could sustain an individual throughout the day. Ancient civilizations recognized the incredible power of these tiny seeds, and modern science now confirms their nutritional value. Incorporating just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your daily diet provides you with this fantastic array of essential nutrients. These seeds are a nutrient powerhouse that can contribute to your overall well-being and nourishment. Number 10. Easy incorporation into your diet. Unlike other foods that require a drastic change in your eating habits, adding chia seeds to your daily diet is relatively simple. While they may initially seem bland, chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various dishes. You can consume them raw, blending them into smoothies, or adding them to porridge, oatmeal, or even pudding. Many people enjoy sprinkling chia seeds on top of yogurt or cereals for a nutritious breakfast. Don't overlook or underestimate their potential. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking it and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and remember, your wellness is our priority.